Hi guys. So here I'm going to help you set up your reading journal. You're going to be using this the whole time that you're reading or listening to The Crucible, so that way I can make sure that you're understanding what you're reading, and you can also use it to look back for tests and quizzes. The first thing you're going to do is open up a blank Google Doc. You're going to go up to the top where it says Untitled, and you're going to put your first and last name. Spell it right, that's always best. And then you're going to put what hour you're in, and then write journal. Then you're going to come down here and you're going to put Crucible Reading Journal. Make that like a size 24, center it, underline it. Now you can go back to normal size 14 or whatever. And you're going to put the date that you're reading. So if I was reading today, I'd put 9/11/20. And then you're going to bullet point like this. So that way when you're reading, every so often, I would say probably every page, you're going to want to write a summary of what happened. So I would say if I was reading something, maybe Mrs. Centers told me that she has really bad heartburn because of her baby. The baby probably has a lot of hair. So if I was reading and that was the summary of the page, I would do that. Click next for my next page, and so on and so forth. So that way you have a summary of what you read. It doesn't have to be super detailed, but you're going to want to use character names. You're going to want to make sure that you know what you're talking about, because since you're not in the classroom with me, it makes it a lot more difficult for me to go over stuff with you. That's the reading journal. And obviously the next day, if I was reading again, I would show the new date with the new bullet point. All right. Once you've done this, you have to turn it in. And if you turn it in to me, you just can't work on it because then I own it. So we're going to do this a little bit differently. When you've got this journal created, you're going to go over here to Share. You're going to go down here to Get Link. Anyone with link. And copy that. There's another document on the checklist that looks like this. You will then go over to your hour, so either second hour, 6th hour, or 7th hour. You will go to your name, so Abby, I'm going to pretend I'm you for a second, and you will paste your link in there. What this does is it allows me to check on your journal at any point in time and not have to ask you for it. Yep, that does mean that I will be doing random checks to make sure that you're on track. If you're not, then you will lose points. You should be able to keep up with the reading because you're getting a week schedule ahead of time, so you know what it is you're supposed to be doing. You may work ahead, but I don't suggest that you get behind. So once this is on here, you're all set. You don't ever have to turn it in again because I already have a link to it. Any questions, please email me, text me, call me, whatever suits you best. The last thing I'm going to say is once I've received everybody's link, which hopefully will be on Monday or today, I will then take this document away, so I will be the only one with access to it. So if you're one of those people that don't get it in on time, then you'll have to email me. It'll be awkward, so just do it on time so we're all okay. Any questions? Let me know. Have a great day.